is useful in finding the sample variance S square. Without correction factor, we cannot find the variance of the sample. So again I repeat, step 2, count the values, add the values, take the square of added values divided by the number of values, that will be the correction factor. So what is the definition of the correction factor? Correction factor is the sum of values then square divided by the sample. Number 4 part. We will take square of each value then add. Square of each value then add 40 square, 50 square, 60 square, 65 square, 70 square, 65 square, and so on. So we have the summation x square. X square, that is the answer of this one. So by using this one, we find the total sum of square. Total sum of square by formula summation x square, summation x whole square over n. Here we use the correction factors. Put the values, we get the answer of the total sum of square, that is 1422.25. So it is the first step, how to calculate the sample variance. Number 1, count the values. Number 2, add the values. Number 3, add the squared values. Then we will find the total sum of square. Actually, it is the first step. Step number 3. We add each value of column. Yes, in question I have given. There are 3 columns. The sum of first column is 215. The sum of second column is 251. The sum of third column is 185. Now we find the sum of square between cos C1, C2, C3. We can also say column for easy understanding. SS cow 215 square over 4. How many values we have added? 4. 251 square over 4. 185 square over 4 minus correction factor. Minus correction factor. This is very, very important. So SS cow is 5, 4, 6. Step 2 is very, very important. We add the values of columns individually. Sum of the first column is 215. Sum of the second column is 251. Sum of third column is 185. Very, very important. Take square of each, then add divided by their number. How many number we have added? Minus correction factor. Please, first add the values. First add the values. Then answer, we should minus this one. If we minus this one from this, we get negative answers. Square cannot be negative. Square cannot be negative. Very, very important. This is the problem mostly students faced in their exam. They just minus this value from this. Not add. Please add all these values. Then answers. From answer, please minus this one. So we have the SS cow, SS column. Step 4. Error sum of square. Why there is error? Because values are at random. You seen in column and in row, there are different values. So there must be error. So we have to find the sum of square of error. So it is very, very important. Total sum of square we have found. SS cow minus this one. So it is the SSE. Be remember, when we study only column, we use these calculations. Number 1, total sum of square. Number 2, sum of square for column, as we say SS cow. Number 3, SS error. So it is the